Hello, and welcome to our Cerenade video. In this video, we will go over the integration of Microsoft Office 365 Online to your caseworker portal. With this enhancement, you can now upload and edit Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, and PowerPoint presentations all in your caseworker portal. And with this enhancement, multiple people can edit those documents simultaneously. It is important to note that in order to use this feature, you must have a subscription with Microsoft Office 365 that allows editing Word, Excel, and PowerPoint online. Let us log into the caseworker portal. We will go into an area where you can upload documents, either in the client profile or case profile. Let us access a client profile. From within the client profile, let us go to the Documents section. Inside one of the folders, let us upload either a Word document, an Excel sheet, or a PowerPoint. Let us click on Add Document. We will name our document, choose who we receive this document from or leave it blank, and lastly select the file location. In the file location, we will select this computer or network, prompting to locate the file in our computer. And once finding the Word document, select it. Finalize by clicking Save or Save and Close. Our Word document has been uploaded. Once uploaded, you will see a new Microsoft logo appear in the Actions section. When clicked, a new tab will appear with your document on Office 365. From here, you will see some actions like editing, printing, as well as some other settings. When we click on Edit, we will now be able to edit the document. As you work on this document, Microsoft will autosave any changes made here. Those saved changes will be reflected when anyone accesses this document inside the client or case profile. With this update, you no longer have to download and re-upload Word documents when needing to make changes. You can edit all within eIMMIGRATION, construct documents with exact text, images, headers, and much more. Additionally, if two or more people are editing the document at the same time, you will spot that other people are also connected on this document. Any changes made by yourself or the other caseworker will instantly reflect for the other person. With this, it facilitates the ability to have multiple people access and edit a document in real time that others will be able to see. If uploading an Excel sheet or PowerPoint, it works similarly. Once uploading the file in similar fashion, you will click on the Office icon, a pop-up will appear, and from there be able to print or edit the document and have Office 365 autosave when you have made those changes. This concludes our video on the integration of Office 365 Online to eIMMIGRATION.